Daddy Monkey Stories. मैं हूँ triangle. I am a triangle. I have 3 sides. I have 3 corners. I am a triangle. Let's play a game. आ जाएं बच्चों, एक गेम खेलते हैं. मुझे कैच करनी है ट्रायंगल शेप्ड चीजें. आप मेरी हेल्प करेंगे ना? चलें, लेट्स स्टार्ट द गेम. ओह, ये है वाटरमेलन. ये ट्रायंगल शेप्ड है. मैंने कैच कर लिया. नहीं बॉल. नो, ये ट्रायंगल शेप नहीं है. मैं इसको कैच नहीं करूँगा. ओह, ये तो येलो ट्रायंगल है. लेट्स कैच इट. कम इन माय बास्केट. ओह, ये ट्रायंगल नहीं है. नो 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 नो, डोंट कम इन माय बास्केट. ओह, egg. No, 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 no. I will not catch the egg. It's not a triangle. Umbrella. Yes, umbrella is triangle shaped. Come in my basket. आ जाओ, आ जाओ. Very good. Circle, circle, I am a circle. Circle, circle, I am a circle. I am round, round and round. I have no corners. I am round. चलिए गेम खेलते हैं और सर्कल चीजों को कैच करते हैं. Yes, clock is circle. Come in my basket. कहाँ जा रही हो? Come in my basket. Yes, I have got it. Now it's a laptop. No, 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 no. It's not a circle. Don't come in my basket. Go away. Yes. This is sun. It's circle shaped. Oh, sun, come in my basket, please. Come in my basket. Yes. Good. Oh, donut. Tasty, tasty donut. Round and round donut. It's a circle. Come in my basket, donut. Yes. Star. No, no, no. Twinkle, twinkle, little star. Go away. You are not a circle. Yes. I am a rectangle. I am a rectangle. I have 4 sides. My opposite sides are equal. I am a rectangle. I am a rectangle. I have 4 sides. Let's play the game. Let's catch the rectangular things. Yes, book is rectangular. Come in my basket, please. Yes. Cake. No, no, no. Cake is not rectangular. So I will not catch the cake. Yes. Ice cream. Cone ice cream. No, no, no. It's not a rectangle. So I'll not catch it. Chocolate bar. Yes, it's a rectangular chocolate bar. I'll catch it in my basket. Yes. Aquarium. Rectangular shaped aquarium. Yes, come in my basket, please. Yes, I have got it. Square, square, I am a square. Square, square, I am a square. I have 4 sides. All are equal. My sides are equal. Let's play the game. Let's catch the square things. Yes, this block is square. Come in my basket, please. Where are you going? Come in my basket. Yes. Clock. Square-shaped clock. Yes, yes, I will catch it. Come in, come in. Come in my basket, please. Heart. No, 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 no. I will not catch the heart. It's not square shaped. A puppet. No, this puppet is not square shaped, so I'll not catch it. Oh, a window. A square shaped window. Come in my basket. You are like me. Come in my basket. Yes. Good. We are shapes. We are shapes. Square, rectangle, triangle, circle. We are shapes. We are shapes. You see us everywhere. We are shapes. We are shapes. Square, square, where are you? Here I am, how do you do? Square, square, where are you? Here I am, how do you do? Rectangle, rectangle, where are you? Here I am, how do you do? Rectangle, rectangle, where are you? Here I am, how do you do? Triangle, triangle, where are you? Here I am, how do you do? Triangle, triangle, where are you? Here I am, how do you do? Circle, circle, where are you? Here I am, how do you do? Circle, circle, where are you? Here I am, how do you do? प्यारे बच्चों, अगर आपको दादी माँ की स्टोरीज अच्छी लगें तो इस चैनल को लाइक और सब्सक्राइब करें ताकि आप और भी अच्छी वीडियोस देख सकें। टेक केयर, बाय।